Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to quickly show you how you can apply for the Young Professional Scheme this time round. There's one change to the form this time, and how you can avoid missing out on any crucial information. So the first step is you click on this link and you create an account. And they're going to tell you here what you need to create your account: your date of birth, your passport, email ID, and phone number. If you're creating the account for yourself, click for yourself, or if you're creating it on behalf of somebody else, click for someone else. After that, give your first name and your surname. In case you don't have a surname, please enter your first name as your surname. I'll say this in Hindi as well. अगर आपका surname नहीं है आपके passport में, surname की जगह पे आप अपना पहला नाम डालें. After that, fill out your country of nationality as India. Click continue. Enter your passport details here and the country it was issued in case your passport has been issued outside India. If you're living outside India at the moment, enter that place and enter the expiry date. Click continue. After that, enter your date of birth. Remember, you need to be between 18 to 30 years old. After you're done entering your date of birth, enter the email ID you want them to send the security code to. Ensure it's correct because the code will come to this email ID, and if it's wrong, you won't get the code. They'll ask if you want to give access to somebody else to manage your account. Click yes or no depending on what you want. And now it will ask you to confirm if you want to create an account. Once you click create an account, they'll ask you to sign in. So click sign in and click passport. Enter your passport number again, enter the date of birth again, and then click start application. I would suggest you click download the application PDF copy over here. After that, please look at this. You have to finish all of these 4 steps. The first step is identity and contact, right? So ensure you finish all of the 4 steps before you hit the submit button. Now the first step is contact preferences, and they'll ask you if you want to use the email ID that you signed with. Click yes or enter another one. Click continue. After that, you have to sign the declaration. So click on that and click whether you're 18 or below 18 and click continue. So you're done with 2 steps. Now you have to provide the evidence, which is your passport. Please ensure you've put the front and the back of your passport, and remember it needs to be under 6 MB. So if the file is bigger than that, it won't upload. And name it like they've said here, passport April or passport whatever your name is 2024. In case your passport has 2 pages and they're 2 separate documents, this is where you add it here because it's asking you if you want to upload anything else. If not, click continue. And then click confirm and upload. You have to click on this to make sure your passport actually uploads. Click continue again, and now you need to click submit. I'm not going to click submit because I'm not actually applying for this scheme, but that's what you need to do. Please just remember to actually put in all of your right details, because once you click submit, you can't come back and change these details. Despite me saying this so many times, there are still people who've written saying they made mistakes today, so I hope that doesn't happen to you. I hope this video was useful. I wish you the best of luck while applying for your application, and see you next week.